What is going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today, guys, I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on foot of the Lebron 18s. Comes in pink and multicolor. Okay. Now, guys, you guys already know LeBron James played for the LA Lakers. All right. He won a championship in the 2019 to 2020 season. All right. He also has other superstars like Anthony Davis playing alongside him. Okay. Anthony Davis recently just signed a $190 million 5-year deal. All right. He's a multimillionaire. Now he's making about $27 million a year. That's a lot of money. Wow. Imagine what you can do with that. Nowadays, 1 million goes so fast. You know what I'm saying? You know, athletes have to manage their money well. You know, so I mean, you've heard a lot of NBA players that earn millions of dollars, all right? And after they retire from the NBA, they have absolutely nothing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of NBA players end up in a situation where they're in the NBA making millions, but their money management skills is terrible, all right? And like I said, what they end up doing is losing their cars, losing their houses, and sometimes going homeless, all right? For example, Delonte West, all right, was drafted by the Boston Celtics, and this guy was in the NBA for a couple of years, and today he is homeless. This shouldn't be happening to somebody that's on a platform where people get paid millions and millions of dollars, and he's on TV. You know what I'm saying? And so, because if you don't manage your money good, you're gonna end up being poor. Okay, you're gonna end up in the streets, homeless. You're gonna end up going back to the trenches. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't want to do that. So, and another problem that a lot of NBA players have is when they get into the NBA, they buy really expensive cars, buy really expensive houses, and they fall into this thing where they have to keep themselves up with the Joneses. You know what I mean? They can't keep up with paying their car bills, the house bill. You know what I mean? All the expensive stuff that they have, they can't keep because they might be expecting a contract. You know what I mean? A good, very good contract, and they don't get it. You know what I'm saying? Which leaves that all this stuff that they have, it's not really theirs. You know what I'm saying? They have to either foreclose their house or go find another cheap house to buy or live in an apartment. So for a lot of these guys, money management is a big thing. But shout out to Anthony Davis. He's got a $190 million deal for 5 years. He's making $27 million a year. That is unbelievable. All right. I mean, if you ask me, $27 million is a lot. You know what I'm saying? But it's going to do very good on the Lakers because LeBron has another 2 years. And I think he signed about maybe $85 million or something like that. So he's going to be leaving in the 2 years. And it's just Anthony Davis is going to be that guy on the Lakers. Okay? He's going to be that Magic Johnson. He's going to be that LeBron James. He's going to be that. He's going to bring a championship possibly to the Lakers after LeBron leaves. But basically, LeBron is setting up this team as a winning team so that everything will crumble when he leaves. You understand what I'm saying? So, but besides that, let's get into these sneakers, right? We're talking about this LeBron 18s XVII. You know it's 18 because it's LeBron's 18th season, right? Okay, no problem. Let's take a look at it and let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna give you guys a 360, all right? If you don't have this LeBron's yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? All right. You guys already know that LeBron James puts out a sneaker every year, all right? This is his 18th season in the NBA, okay? These are called LeBron 18s. Comes in pink and multicolor, all right? Now, I've never seen LeBron 18s as a sneaker that you can wear outside. Although whenever you see my on foot, it's going to be outside, all right? That's because the outside gives a very, very crispy look. There's no better look, but the outside look is crispy, all right? So that's why I wear my sneakers outside and I do the on foot outside. However, These joints right here, I don't think it's for the outside because when it rains it gets dirty. It's gonna be nasty looking. But however, for on-court sneakers, they're pretty good. All right. Similarity between these and LeBron 17s, they pretty much look the same. They come with these bubbles that Nike has incorporated in it. Okay. The classic swoosh logo right there. Okay. And also comes with these 3 bubbles, very soft gel bubbles right here. All right. And also the material, and then it's got that King logo in the back, King James. Take a look at the bottom. Comes in gray and like lime green color. Right here it's like a splash of black cement and white cement. All right, lime green. This is right here, it's fire. Definitely on on-court sneakers, I would say, listen, I'll give this an 8 out of 10 on on-court. It's not so bad. I spent $220 to get these. All right. These LeBron James shoes ain't so light. All right, they're not the most light sneakers in the world, but these material right here, like socks, so they are made to make you feel comfortable as much on the court. All right. The soles, however, there's been a lot put into the soles. All right. I mean, they want it to be like trampoline on feet as much as possible, and also with trampoline on feet, they wanted you to have that bounce. You know, with these bubbles they incorporate in it. You know what I mean? I have to say the soles are much more heavy. All right, they're kind of heavy. All right, that's the only thing I don't really like about it, but I still give it an 8 out of 10 because I think for on-court kicks they're pretty good. All right, I give this an 8 out of 10. Like I said, if you want to cop one of these, multicolor, pink, all right, it's $220. That's how much I got it for. I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that like button, that share button, and that subscribe button. All right, and if you're not, you already know what to do. All right, and until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on, or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.